Hi, welcome to Saute recipe. Today I'm going to show you stir fry mushroom with lady's finger. Let me show you how. I'm adding in olive oil. It's still up to you, whatever oil you have in your kitchen you can use. I add in chopped onions and saute them. I like to add salt here to give better color to the onions. Green chili. Green chili is up to you. You can add more or less. It's according to your taste. I added here 2 pieces of green chili. I'm adding in mushroom. And saute them. I'm adding in some water instead of oil. Better to add water for the vegetable to soften. Now the mushroom has cooked quite well. Now I'm adding in coriander powder, garam masala, white pepper, optional. If you don't want, you can avoid it. Red chili powder, lady's finger. So I mix them well together. I'm adding in some water. I don't want to add any oil. I like to add water for the vegetable to cook. Too much oil is not so healthy for our body. Lemon juice, and I off the flame and stir them, and I'm going to dish out. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Saute recipes, and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.